Madalas sinasabi nila na kapag soulmate daw maraming pagkakatulad at eto ako sasalungat sa opinyon ng maraming tao. As for me, it is complementary over compatibility. Well, you see, you are my opposite. My weakness is your strength and your weakness is my strength. That's why I'm a better person than I thought I was. Maraming tinuturang Diyos sa akin sa pamamagitan mo.
Having a relationship with you is one of the greatest things I've ever experienced. From manliligaw to being in a relationship. Thank you for letting me enjoy and experience kung paano maligawan ng tama. Nung mga time na nag-change ako ng career, ganyan, mga time na may mga pinagdadaanan ako, lagi na siyang nandun para alalayan ako. Isa din yun sa mga nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya. Napakabait ni Sherwin talaga.
Grabe lang yung pagsama sa atin ng Panginoon sa journey natin. Naalala ko, I've been praying na makilala ko ang babae na para sa akin. And May 19, 2018, nagkakilala tayo sa Youth Fellowship sa Tanza. After that, naging friends tayo. And November that year, nagsabi ako ng intention ko at nanligaw ako. And then, December, natanggap ko yung rejection.
Do you take Rachel to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, to love and to cherish, in sickness and in health, forsaking all others till death do you part?
Yes, I do.
Amen. Rachel, do you also take Sherwin to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, to love and to cherish, in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, till death do you part?
Yes, I do.
Amen.
Uy! Sana all! Uy, may resibo pa! Alam kong gustong-gusto mo mangolekta at maglaro ng Switch games. Kaya sana mag-enjoy ka sa gift na to. Uy, thank you, Ling! Ayan, uy! Wow! Yes, that's great. Thank you. Pares tayo na mag-enjoy sa console na to. Thank you very much. I love you. Ano?
I know it is hard to put up with me kasi I have a strong personality. Hindi mo alam to pero proud na proud ako sa'yo lalo na kapag nagsaserve ka sa Panginoon. I promise to be always there to support you, to respect you and of course to love you till death do us part. I love you, Sherwin, and I will always choose you.
At eto na tayo, nanunumpa sa isa't isa. At sa puntong ito, ipinapangako ko, bilang asawa mo, mamahalin kita ng higit sa buhay ko. Poprotektahan kita physically, emotionally, and spiritually. I will protect your image. I will respect and honor you. Hindi ko consider ang opinion mo sa bawat decision na gagawin ko. Susuportahan kita sa mga decision at pangarap mo. At mananatili akong tapat at karapat-dapat sa'yo, kahit ang payroll ko malalaman mo.
Since makakapag-travel na tayo together, let's record our moments. Love you.
Wow! O, selfie na. Ay, nag-video. Say hi!
Uuwi ka pa ng probinsya para ipaalam sa mama ko na manliligaw ko pa sa akin. Bago ka mag-propose, nagpaalam ka din kay mama. Kaya sobrang boto sa'yo si mama eh. You are so kind, loving, and understanding. You made me believe in those people around me that a guy like you still exists.